Today we will be testing a crypto trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 369 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 265 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,040 indicators, with 432 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto trading strategy. And so the source video says this indicator just hit a level not seen in 10 years. It is the final solution. So, interesting statement made by the source video. Not sure where they got the 10 years from. Just a little bit odd all around. But of course, we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So what we'll do is hide the indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the average force indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And jump into the settings of this one, and we'll change the inputs to a period of 80 and the smoothing to 30, and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the SSL hybrid, and so many of you probably know of this indicator. Add this one right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen, and jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we're going to do is under the SSL1 baseline length, we're going to change that to 200. Then jump into the styles, and you're going to uncheck these two top ones, these two underneath the baseline selection, and then this one right here. And so you're leaving the baseline lower, baseline upper, and the MA baseline all checked, as well as the ATRs and such. If you wish, you can turn those off. It doesn't really matter. And like I said, everything else stays on default. Go ahead and click OK. Alright, so what you are looking for a long trade. So we're looking for when price starts to trade above the SSL line. When it does that, the SSL line will turn this blue color. And then what we're looking for is the average force to give us a yellow bar. It's kind of hard to see right there. If I zoom in really tight, you can see right there that yellow bar that appears, and that would be the signal to then enter into a long. And so we're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at the lower portion of the SSL line and target a 1 to 2 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We just kind of bounce around, slowly creeping up. Then we make this push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for when price starts to trade below the SSL line and it turns this reddish, purple-ish color right here. Then we're looking for the average force to give us a purple bar like this here. Again, it's really small. If I zoom in, you can see it a little bit better. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And we'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right above the SSL line right there. The top band of it, I guess you could say. And then we're going to target that same 1 to 2 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, we make a nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $300 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,200 for an overall loss of $600 altogether. So definitely not a great strategy. And again, not sure about this all-time levels in the last 10 years type rhetoric that they put in the title. Compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator during the same period of time. We did 39 trades altogether. We had 32 winning trades and 7 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $10,800. So definitely better results. And with the position management strategy that we teach all of our patrons, it would have increased the win rate up into the high 90%. And so the total gain would have been closer to the $19,000. So definitely better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex Indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex Indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex Indicator within an hour. And just to show the versatility of the Academy of Forex Indicator, I've developed a second crypto scalping strategy that you can use. Combined with the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, it has achieved a 100% win rate in back testing over 200 trades and counting. If you are interested in viewing that strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. You can just click on that and it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and you'll click the thumbnail that you see on screen now, which is the thumbnail to that video. And for an update on the live trading account, we are now at 15 winning trades in a row, a 100% win rate still, using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I spoke about just a minute ago. We are close to closing out the first full month of trading with 100% profitability and around a little over a 20% gain on the account. And so really great stuff. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.